Hello friends, vacancy है. At least 5-6 years proven experience in industrial painting in oil and gas industries. Should have offshore experience. Painting supervisor, painting foreman, wanted for UAE, oil and gas company. CV shortlisting in progress at Mumbai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Hello friends, vacancy है. Wanted for Saudi Arabia, oil and gas company. Walk-in interview on the 4th of July 2024 at Mumbai, Aisha Site Center, to Hussain Ali Building, near Sagar Hotel Duncan Road, Nagpur Junction, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Piping structure fabricator 2000 Saudi Riyals. TIG and arc welder CS 2500 Saudi Riyals. MIG and arc welder 1800 Saudi Riyals. Benefits provided by company. Accommodation plus transportation will be provided by the company. Contact number, Nuria Enterprises, Ozone Biz Center, office number 5006, 5th floor, Bellasis Road. Hello friends, vacancy है. Desired candidate profile. ITI, diploma with 5+ years experience in maintenance. Age limit, 22 to 42 years. HVAC technician 2200 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Building electrician 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. MEP multi-technician 2400 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Plumber 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Brush painter, roller painter 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Finishing carpenter 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. All-round mason 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Civil multi-technician 2300 United Arab Emirates dirhams. MEP supervisor 4500 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Light vehicle driver cum technician UAED, L 2700 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Farnex Services LLC job vacancies, recruitment to Dubai. Walk-in interview on the 6th of July 2024 at Chennai. Hello friends, vacancy है. Desired candidate profile. Above all candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Maximo operator, CNC machinist, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical technician, electrical technician row, mechanical in charge 10,000 Saudi Riyals, senior mechanical engineer, 8,000 Saudi Riyals, mechanical superintendent 7,000 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical site engineer 5500 Saudi Riyals. Senior planning engineer 9000 Saudi Riyals. Planning engineer 5500 Saudi Riyals. Planner 4000 Saudi Riyals. PS coordinator, timekeeper 2000 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical supervisor, WPR 3500 Saudi Riyals. Bolting supervisor 3500 Saudi Riyals. Valve technician 1700 Saudi Riyals. HVAC technician 1800 Saudi Riyals. PCS, process control safety automation technician, 1700 Saudi Riyals. Wanted for Saudi Arabia, urgent hiring. Walk-in interview on the 5th of July 2024 at Chennai. Hello friends, vacancy है. Urgent requirements for Saudi Arabia. Walk-in interview on the 14th of June 2024 at Chennai. Position: A&I estimation engineer, project mechanical engineer, car QC lead mechanical, car QC inspector A&I, mechanical supervisor, mechanical draftsman, scaffolding inspector, scaffolding in charge, permit receivers, TIG and arc welder, civil engineer, safety engineer, car QC instrument, safety officer, fire watch, storekeeper, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, civil surveyor, civil foreman. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Hello friends, vacancy है. Desired candidate profile. All candidates should have 3-5 C shutdown experience in oil and gas and large refineries. Position: area coordinator, fabricator pipe, fire watch, hole watch, fitter trough, foreman, charge hand, hydrojetting, hydro testing, rigging, grinder, hydrojetter, hydroblaster. Inspector QC mechanical, material assistant, material controller, material supervisor, overhead crane operator, rigger, safety officer, site coordinator, supervisor, electrical, mechanical, piping, rigging, scaffolding, technician, mechanical, PWHT, valve, transport supervisor. QCon Qatar shutdown jobs 2024 free recruitment. Walk-in interview on the 18th of July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Desired candidate profile. Minimum 2 years of experience must oil and gas. Indian experience accepted. Position, mechanical supervisor, electrical supervisor, piping supervisor, materials supervisor, safety officer, material controller, material assistant, rigger, tray fitter, grinder, hydrojetter, hydroblaster, overhead crane operator, scaffolding supervisor, rigging supervisor, transport supervisor, fire watch, hole watch, site coordinator, QC inspector mechanical, foreman, charge hand rigging, foreman, charge hand hydrojetting, pipe fabricator, mechanical technician, PWHT technician, valve technician. Shutdown jobs in Qatar 2024 large recruitment. Walk-in interview on the 17th of July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting.